Does the thought of using artificial intelligence in marketing scares you? Don't be. AI marketing has never been easier thanks to today's many tools and platforms. This video shows you how to use AI technology to automate and optimize your marketing campaigns. We'll cover everything from chatbots and email automation to predictive analytics and customer segmentation. So whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, get ready to take your skills to the next level with AI marketing.
Have you ever heard of Toolsit? It's a fantastic tool that helps Etsy sellers like us increase sales and reach a larger market. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal to take over the Etsy world. Toolsit gives you the power to analyze and track your competitors with incredibly accurate data, so you can find out what people love on Etsy and replicate it in your store. And the best part is that it's super easy to use. It takes just a few minutes to download and connect to your Etsy store, and you're ready to go. With Toolsit, you can do a keyword search and redesign your process so the right customers can find you easily. Just find the keywords they're searching for what you're selling, and voila, you'll get an insane boost in organic traffic. You can also do a store search to see what other Etsy stores offer and what's popular. This feature connects you to every store on Etsy so you can see everything they offer. And if you want to see how much product they're selling, Toolsit also has a rank check feature that allows you to see the best-selling items. With these three factors combined, you'll clearly understand what's hot, who has it, and how they're positioning their offerings. Not only that, but you can also create product reports to find out the most popular products on the market at any given time. You can create reports by category to see what people buy in each category. With Toolsit, you'll be able to put your popular products in the best category where people are searching for them. And if you need a general report that summarizes any numbers you need to make better decisions for your store, Toolsit has got you covered. Even better, Toolsit requires no fancy marketing degree or math expertise. It's easy to learn and saves you a ton of money on outreach. You can find out what's popular in just a few minutes and clicks. And don't just take my word for it. Toolsit has received positive reviews from many users who have praised its community, design, and pricing. For example, Ali Tavlashoglu writes, "Toolsit is the best tool I have used. I find my keyword rankings easily with Toolsit and my sales went up after I started using it. I love the design of the interface and the features that can't be found anywhere else. I'm thrilled to be able to keep track of my competitors." Serap was also pleased with the collaboration, saying, "The best tool I have used. I find my keyword rankings easily with Toolsit. After I started using it, my sales went up. It's a great tool." So what are you waiting for? Get Toolsit today and turn your Etsy store into a sales growth machine. It offers a free trial or version to try it out for yourself. I hope this helps, and happy selling. Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of process documents and wishing you had an AI-powered system to help you navigate through them? Well, look no further than Jackrabbit Ops. This unique tool is an AI documentation software that helps businesses efficiently create and manage their process documentation. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can quickly generate process documentation in just 24 hours. How? The AI uses artificial intelligence to quickly and accurately create processes that train itself through data from templates, imports, videos, and charts. And once it has been trained on your specific techniques, it can provide answers to questions by your business processes. But here's the best part. The AI-generated processes are quickly revised and updated, allowing you to make changes and perfect responses in no time. And the best part? You can try Jackrabbit Ops for free without providing any credit card details. Say goodbye to the tedious task of constantly keeping up with changes in business operations and digging through processes to find answers. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can chat with your business like you're talking to a human. It's like having your assistant, but better. And it's available 24/7 and never takes a day off. But that's not all. Jackrabbit Ops is cost efficient too. It helps you save on cost by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, which allows your employees to focus on more critical and value-adding tasks. Plus, it can also help to improve employee morale and job satisfaction. One of the best features of Jackrabbit Ops is its centralized platform where all your business's critical information is stored. This enables you to access data from anywhere and at any time, and it can help you to identify patterns and trends in your business, which will help you make data-driven decisions that lead to growth and success. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Jackrabbit Ops today and start seeing the benefits immediately. It's like having a general manager who is always available and gives you the correct answers at the right time. Make Jackrabbit Ops the best hire you ever made and see your business grow like never before. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can rest assured that your business operations are safe and you can focus on what matters, growing your business. Have you heard of Ayla AI? It's a pretty fantastic tool that can help with all sorts of content creation tasks. With Ayla AI, you can generate blog posts, ads, emails, reports, and even realistic images using the power of AI. It's like having a personal writing assistant to help you create all sorts of content in seconds. One of the best things about Ayla AI is that it can save you so much time and effort in your creative work. With just a few clicks, you can instantly generate any type of long-form content, which is great for SEO optimization and provides workflows that support the whole writing process. You don't have to worry about writer's block or spending hours researching and writing content from scratch. Ayla AI also offers 30 languages, so you can create content in multiple languages and reach a wider audience. And if you need some visuals to go along with your written content, Ayla AI has covered you with its realistic image generation feature. You can customize your content to your liking and make it look professional and polished in no time. The Ayla Chrome extension is also a great feature that allows you to utilize the power of AI everywhere. You can write and optimize content directly on emails, ads, and social media platforms. This makes it easy to write on the go and ensures that all your content is SEO optimized and ready to go. Finally, Ayla AI is trusted by thousands of professionals in various industries and is rated 5 out of 5 stars by its customers. It's an excellent tool for bloggers, content marketers, and anyone who wants to improve their content creation skills and efficiency. And the best part, Ayla AI offers a 1-week free trial with 5,000 words, so you can try it out and see how amazing it is. Now let's talk about the pricing and features of Ayla AI. There are 3 plans: Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The basic plan costs $29.99 per month and includes 30,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 1 user seat. It offers an AI content editor, Grammarly integration, and general AI writing tools and features, but has limited advanced AI features. The Pro plan costs $139.99 per month and includes 250,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 5 user seats. It offers the same features as the basic plan, but also allows for customized AI tools and feature requests, and includes an account manager and priority customer support. This plan is great for larger teams or individuals needing more advanced features. The Enterprise plan is custom priced and includes 1 million plus words credits per month, 30 languages, and unlimited user seats. It consists of all advanced features, customized AI tools and feature requests, excellent technical support, a dedicated account manager, and onboarding and training sessions. It also offers an AI content editor and Grammarly integration. This plan is perfect for large enterprises or organizations that need the most advanced features and support. So there you have it, my friend. Ayla AI is a fantastic tool that can help you save time and improve your content creation skills. With its various plans and features, you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Have you ever heard of Radar? This incredible social media management platform is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses with their online presence. It's like having a personal assistant for all your social media accounts. You won't believe how much easier your life will be with this tool. You see, as a digital marketer, it can take a lot of work to manage multiple social media accounts at once. You have to be a social media butterfly, flitting from one account to another, ensuring each gets the attention it needs. But with Radar, you can focus on other things while it takes care of all your accounts. Radar is packed with features that will make your life so much easier. It has everything from scheduling and posting posts to social media monitoring, analytics, password management, task management, URL shortening, landing pages, RSS feeds, and the shared library. And the best part? It supports all the major social media platforms. One of the standout features of Radar is its URL shortener. It's a game changer for your workflow and makes everything so much simpler. And the password manager is a lifesaver. You'll always remember a password again. The only downside is that it still needs to support Pinterest or GMB. But the developers are always listening to their community and adding new features, so who knows, they might add those platforms soon. With Radar, you can plan and schedule content and postings with your colleagues or customers for different social media channels. Once you prepare your content, Radar will automatically publish it to the selected social media channels and accounts on the specified dates or times. And you can track and analyze your social media activity with its analytics feature. It's like having a personal social media analyst. Radar has plans starting at $10 per month for the basic plan, which includes 3 social media accounts. The professional plan is $20 per month and includes 6 social media accounts. And the business plan starts at $60 per month and has 12 social media accounts. It's an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Customers of Radar are in love with the tool. They say it's one of the most well-designed and easiest to use social media management tools. And the developers are constantly interacting with their community and making improvements, so you know the product will only improve. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Radar for just $59. That's a savings of over 90% off the regular price. This is a deal you want to take advantage of, so don't wait. Get Radar today and make your life as a digital marketer a whole lot easier. Have you ever spent hours brainstorming a creative domain name for your new business only to find that it's already taken? Well, have no fear, because Smartynames.com is here to save the day. This fantastic website is an AI-driven tool that generates unique and catchy domain names for your business in just 20 seconds or less. First of all, the domain name search service offered by Smartynames.com is not only fast, but it's also straightforward to use. You must enter a keyword or phrase related to your business, and the website will generate dozens of domain names ideas available for purchase. You can also use custom filters to narrow down your search and get even more targeted results. If you're looking for something unique, Smartynames.com offers unusual alt TLDs that automatically select relevant alt TLDs for businesses. These can be a great way to stand out from the crowd and make your business even more memorable. And if you're worried about the cost of purchasing a domain name, don't be. Smartynames.com offers premium .coms at regular prices, so you don't have to break the bank to get a great domain name. Plus, with domain availability across 500 extensions, you're sure to find something that works for you. Another great feature of Smartynames.com is that it offers social media handle availability. You can check if the domain name you want is available on popular social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. These can be a real lifesaver if you use social media to promote your business. And if you're new to AI, you'll love the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. These can be a great way to learn about AI and how it's changing our world. One of the things that I love about this website is that it works with trusted partners like Name.com, GoDaddy, and Namecheap to make it easy to find the domain names you're looking for and purchase them directly. And if you're new to the world of AI, you can sign up for the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. In conclusion, if you're looking for a fast, easy, and affordable way to find the perfect domain name for your business, look no further than Smartynames.com. With its advanced algorithms, unique alt TLDs, and premium features, you're sure to find a domain name that will help your business stand out from the crowd.